Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a Yolo Premium album on the Yolobook application. You should enter the app and scroll down a little. You will find the Yolo Premium category, click on it. After that you can see that there are two versions of the album here. One of them is the Yolo Premium, the other the Yolo Premium Custom one. The only difference between them is that the Custom has one more photo in it, which is the cover photo, so it's a little bit more customizable, hence the name. I will select the first one and proceed with the order. Now I will select the 51 photos that are necessary for the album. These are random photos that I have in my phone, but you can select any photos that you want. Sorry for waiting, but it is taking a little. There are a lot of photos. And proceed with this little arrow down here. The next step is you can crop your photos if you want. For example, if you don't want this dark stuff here up and down. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with this one, but you can clearly see you can customize it and crop it. For example, like this, it's okay for me. And then proceed again with this arrow down here. Then we are at the step where we need to pay for it, and after pressing next you have all your information there and you can proceed to pay. Now I hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.